Welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the boAt Stone 1000 Bluetooth speakers. So as we can see on the box, we've got a little info here. So these are 14 watt stereo speakers with an IPX5 rating, and we've got a little more information down here. Again with the 14 watts, the IPX5, apparently easy controls, 3000 mAh battery, 8 hours of playback. It's all pretty good. So let's get these speakers out of the box. Keep that aside. We have a little card here. This is the warranty card. So we have a 1-year warranty. Alright, so inside we have the boAt Stone 1000 speakers. These are quite heavy actually, and quite large as well. Let's keep that box to the side. Actually, let's see what else is inside here. We've got the user manual, and we've got an aux cable. So, and we also have the charging cable, which is a micro USB charging cable. So what we have here, this is the user manual. Yep. So I'm going to keep that aside. Now let's get this out of the way. Oh, okay. So as you can see, it sits at an angle, and I'm going to keep these two aside as well. So as you can see, it sits at an angle, and you've got the speakers facing towards the outside this way, and we've got a little strap up here to hold it, and okay, we've got a little flap here, and this is where you've got the aux, the 3.5mm, and the charging ports. So let's close that. And do we have anything else? So when you flip the speakers on the right, on the left hand side, you've got the buttons. You've got the volume increase and decrease. You've got next track, previous track, mute, pause, play, and power. Yeah, that's about it. That's all there is to the boAt Stone 1000 Bluetooth speakers. Thanks for watching.